Hello. In this video, I would speak about the Pradhan Mantri Matratva Vandana Yojana and along with I would also use some techniques what I learned from Tisha to overcome the stammering. So let me come to on the topic Pradhan Mantri Matratva Vandana Yojana. This scheme has launched in the year 2017 for the pregnant woman. As we know, a pregnant woman is not able to earn the daily wages because she need more rest and she is not able to work hard. So for this, government has launched this scheme, so the pregnant woman can receive her balanced diet, which is very essential during the pregnancy. So in this scheme, she received total 6,000 rupee in 4 installment. So how is 4 installment come? Her first installment come when she get pregnant and go for a pregnancy registration to a nearby sub health center or to the village ASHA worker. So the where when she get a registration for her pregnancy, she received the 1,000 rupee amount, and when she crossed the 6 month of her pregnancy, she has to go for laboratory investigation like USG, that means sonography, and some other blood investigations like a HIV test or some others. So on that time, she received the second installment, which is of 2,000 rupee, and when she deliver a baby, that time she received the third installment, which is of 1,000, and when she vaccinate her baby in the first round of the vaccination. In the first round, her baby received 3 vaccines: BCG, which for TB, hepatitis B, which works for hepatitis B, and the third vaccine, which is OPV, which works for poliovirus. So these 3 vaccine prevents the baby from getting all 3 diseases, right? So the after the first round of her baby vaccination, she received the fourth installment, which is of 2,000. So totally she received 6,000 rupee, which helps the mother to get the nutritious diet. So this is only the partial ways for the pregnant woman, and this is the good scheme of the government. As we know, the maternal mortality rate is 113 in India, So this is on per 1 lakh a pregnant woman, and as we know, 33 is the infant mortality rate in India. So from the side of India, India cover 15% of the world maternal mortality rate. So the this is the big thing for India. So to reduce the maternal or infant mortality rate, uh, government has started this scheme that is help the mother and reduce the premature baby rate or some other diseases which comes due to nutritious deficiency in the baby. So this illness can be prevented when she take the proper nutrition. Yeah, so this is a video. I spoke many points about the Pradhan Mantri Matritva Vandana Yojana. So thanks and love you for watching this video. Bye.